Hi friends, welcome to another paint class. Today we are doing Joy in the Rain. What we're going to do is we're going to start off by tracing real lightly with your pencil, just to kind of give you a guideline for what we're going to be creating today. Doesn't have to be perfect because they're just guidelines. If you use a pencil, you can erase. I'm starting with the umbrella. Give it some dimension. Follow the curves. Give it that rounded effect. And then I'm gonna go into her body and kind of taper it off to her waist. You'll feel where it is right because you can kind of see that waistline being created. And then this gorgeous poofy skirt. Think of it almost like a bell. Just gonna have a wavy, lacy bottom. See, I thought that was a little too much, so I'm just gonna go in and erase what I did and start over. There's no right or wrong here. What I like about these arms is for people who feel scared about doing limbs, these ones are easy. So we create like a triangle here. And then we're gonna create her cute bent arm here with the elbow. Her hand. Awesome. What I like about her is creating that body that people get scared about is super easy. And then as you taper her legs, just like you kind of did her torso, at the bottom where her heels are, we're going to create kind of like a heart. Bring it down to the heel. You can get that separation. Voila. Create that background. And there we go. Now we can get started. I have some friends with me today. How's it going, girls?
Good. Hello.
Hello. This is so much fun getting together with the girls and doing this. Before I start, I'm gonna erase more of that pencil. Typically with the paints covered up and with layers, you can get rid of it, but you can always do it beforehand too. So since I've already got this skin tone that I made, and I just used the light brown in your kit with a lot of white, like a very, very little bit of light brown and then the white. Obviously you can create any tone you want, but I was playing around with mine, so I'm gonna fill that in, get that done, and then we'll work on the background. I typically will do the background first and then build onto that. But since I had this already on the brush, we'll just wing it, and I'll probably use some of this color, spread it in the sky too. What I like about the sky is it's got that watercolor effect. And so if you notice, I'm just kind of filling it in just like a coloring book. And then you'll later go in and outline everything, kind of similar to a cartoon. So You can either clean your brush off with the water, start with another color, or use what you have and kind of make it work with this. You okay over there, girls? What's wrong?
She mixed black into the skin color.
Okay, well, you guys can always make another skin color. Like I said, take the white and add a tiny bit of whatever tone you want, okay? So to get that watercolor look, you add tons of water and blend, kind of like makeup, I guess. Blend. You guys doing okay?
Yeah.
850344. Her dress is so cool, isn't it, with all the colors? Have you guys painted before? Or is this your first time?
No, I've done.
Yeah. Is it fun?
Yeah.
It's relaxing, huh? I really want to blend that out. You might be like, what is she doing with all of that tan? But I'm going to layer, and a lot of this will go away. But if you guys need help, you let me know. Did you say it's hard?
No, I said just hard.
Oh.
Can I do this? I thought that's what you were going to say. What is this skin color for?
See her arms and her torso and her legs? See, she's got her arms, her back, and her legs.
Can I use this kind of the skin color for the background?
Yeah, that's what I did. See here? I spread it all over the background. I'm gonna wash that brush off every now and then. Add more water. Keep it light and airy. That makes it easy to blend, you know. Okay, I think I'm good on that for now. And then we're gonna go into her beautiful blue umbrella. When you're guiding your brush on something like this too, that is a very three-dimensional object, kind of guide your brush to the shape of the thing. So with an umbrella, it's like a dome, so my brush is going to go in that direction. It'll help to give that feeling of it being a three-dimensional thing. This one I really like because it does have those black guidelines that we'll add at the end, so it's very forgiving. I love umbrellas. I had a collection for a while. Yeah, they're so cute. There's something about them. It doesn't rain a lot here in Arizona, so anything that you're not familiar with always seems to be fascinating, I guess, huh?
Yeah, like snow.
Yeah, like snow. We don't see that a lot, and we love to get in the snow, right?
Yep, I love it. But sometimes it's a little cold. Oh, look at Reese's hat.
I know. You told me earlier you love being warm, huh? So you must love it here in Arizona. Right?
I'm
And-
done with my background.
You're done with your background? Let me see. Ooh, pretty.
I'm gonna do a skin color.
Okay.
Oh, it's not for her.
Let me know if you need any help. There we go. And she's got some of that same color in her skirt. It's kind of like a color block skirt. So again, super forgiving for us. You guys don't have to do the exact colors, you know, of this. Be creative if you want to give her a pattern or totally different color scheme. That's perfectly okay.
Reese did a pink umbrella.
You did a pink one?
Yeah.
See? That's your style then, right? So she's in the rain, so we're gonna do those downward strokes.
What was that?
Awesome. Now, see how it looks very choppy? This is where the water comes in again. Get rid of those harsh lines. Blend, blend, blend.
Why does your brother like playing video games so much?
So my friend Riley here, she had a cool technique where she actually added water to the whole canvas beforehand, and that helps blend a lot too. So if you're feeling like you're not getting that look that you want, or not, it's difficult to blend, try that trick. She loves that trick. You guys are done already?
Reese's.
Wow, you're fast.
Clean it with normal water. This is pink water. No, wait, wash. I didn't. Oh, now we're going this way.
Oopsie. Thank you. How's yours turning out?
Can I show you?
Yeah. I want to see what my friends at home look like too. So when you're done with this project, it would be great if you would share with me your final masterpiece. Ooh, I love those pink streaks. That looks amazing. You gonna work on her skirt now?
No. Are you kidding me? What? I got the black with the skin color.
That's okay. You can blend it, let it dry. You can cover it up. There's options. Don't fret. It's all good.
No, picture. No. I did it. I didn't get black.
A lot of this time on her is probably going to be spent most on the background and the skirt. To really give it that look that you want.
What did you do?
You guys can always blend your own colors if you need something different. And if you need advice on what colors to blend, just let me know.
Hey, yo, GCR, didn't you say that you were like blending and stuff? Oh, wait, that
Awesome. Okay.
What's the password?
850344. Now down here at the bottom on the ground, it's definitely a lot sharper because it's trying to give you that reflection look, you know, from a wet ground, from all the rain. So don't worry about that. We're gonna add a lot of streaks in that one.
Yeah, I'm here, bro. Yours looks amazing. Yeah.
Amazing. I love to hear that.
Are you gonna do
I just realized I forgot to add her shoulders and her back, so we'll go ahead and do that. There we go.
GCR, you know what?
White and black.
I know you're freaking
Black and
nice.
white.
I know that's not your real voice. Yeah, you're like it's and what is? Don't ask.
How's it going over there? How's it going, friends at home?
Mine is looking awesome. I need help with the. Wait, do I put white in the skirt for the polka dots?
Are you gonna do polka dots?
Not white. Do I put water?
On the skirt, you kind of need less water because she's got those bold colors.
Yeah.
So what I did is I took my brush and picked the color that I want and just did like here, we'll do pink, for example. And just flick it. Flick it? Yeah.
Alright.
Because it's gonna kind of blend all together naturally. And then if you feel like an area is sharper and you want to fade it out more, that's when you would add your water. Okay?
Oh yeah, we can't kill the boss.
Where's no? No, turn it to green.
And you like it.
Ooh, I like the polka dots you did on her dress.
There's a different color in every color. Because
I love the pink in the sky. In Arizona, we get this gorgeous pink all the time in the sky. Beautiful sunsets here. If you notice, it's just different areas that the light hits it and it just kind of pulls out that color. So, you know I love the paintings that don't require perfection. I just want to have fun, you know. Relax, do something
I'm not adding dark colors.
creative.
That's what happened to my, like,
Bro, planners. Here,
I really missed all of these colors. Oh, there's literally a color in every single color. Like a different thing.
you better stop making noise.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Look at every color.
You hear me?
Oh,
You hear me?
please.
You're never gonna get good.
Colin, don't start, please. Okay, then I'm gonna do the sharper streaks over here on the ground.
You like orange? You like orange? What are you talking about? You like no. Orange is okay.
So if you notice, here is her reflection. And so her body is like this, so the reflection is going to be the opposite. Like an hourglass. So you want those colors to pop, to really mimic that reflection.
Alice, your crown looks rough. How much do you got?
This skirt reminds me of Mexico. Stop it, Reese. Now the yellow is like.
Are you guys still having fun over there?
Yeah. What is this gonna look in? Don't do that. Don't mix it. Don't
That's not a lot.
Green.
This project is good for all ages.
Except for babies.
You don't think babies could do this?
They could. Even dogs could do this. No. Yeah, the most talented dog in the world can. He can
Even dogs can do this. See, people? So.
They can put the Mona Lisa. Can they paint up
Her skirt too has that shape, right? So
What's up with Mona Lisa? Why does everyone adore it?
everyone likes the Mona Lisa because she was done with a technique that, depending on how you look at her, she's either smiling or not smiling.
She's not smiling. Every time I look at her. She's smiling. She's like this. I look at her.
It's all perception.
She's just. She's like.
I know you would. Plan
Wait, what? She's smiling. Here she is. I need a one bottle. Now it's gray. There's not even rain. It's gray.
Man said, I'm about to kill it.
Stop it, Reese. I'm just trying to make this perfect. You're not. Look at this talented.
You're funny.
What color is she? Black. Queen's the one who cannot shake.
I'd like to see how everyone is doing. If you want to take a break or take it slow, you can always stop, rewind, fast forward. Go at whatever speed you're comfortable with.
Oh, look at this. That looks like sprinkles. There's like a unicorn forehead. Alright, so how would I do the ground? Have you done the ground yet? Because I want to see how you do it.
I did. So the ground, I was saying that this is basically a wet ground, so it's going to give a reflection of her.
Yeah.
She has a body that is like a V. Your reflection is going to go in the opposite direction, like hourglass.
Yeah. So like, how would you do it? Would you add water when you do it, or no?
Well, not so much, because see how it's sharper? It's still blended, and then when you add the black later, but
So you do every color,
so
with
like,
no water, and then you just do this.
and then I do like a sharper line like this.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
Okay? Mm-hmm.
No. I never saw the little pen before. The what? A little pen. I found a little pen. I'm gonna give you. It's mine. I have a purple one of those.
I did a oopsie on my umbrella there.
What was that one word that you said in the last video and I was like cracking up?
I don't want to say again.
Huh?
I don't want to say it again
What?
because I'm like to stay kid friendly.
It was kid friendly though.
Mm-mm. How is your skirt coming along?
Me?
Did you do something different?
Me?
Anyone who's painting with us today?
Oh,
On the skirt, I feel like it's definitely something that you want to layer just to get that perfect look that you're going for. So kind of like nail polish, you go in once, let it sit for a minute, and then you can pop on a second coat.
and I do layer layer. But I did like actual polka dots. So.
You did actual polka dots? Cool. I can't wait to see that.
What are you doing?
Okay, I think it's time to go in with the black. And that's where we're gonna fill in her tank top or the top of her dress. We're gonna do her heels again. If you wanna do a different color, feel free. And then we're gonna switch brushes. I have a medium-sized brush, but for the outline, we're gonna switch brushes and do something that is more pointed and rounded like this. It'll give you a lot more flexibility to do those sharp outlines. Okay? If you guys want to share your finished piece, you can share on Instagram at Hello Honey Creative Company, or Pinterest, Hello Honey Creative.
Did you mean to
or Etsy at Hello Honey Creative or Bloom's Party. I know, lots of choices, but I really do love and appreciate it when my friends share their work. All right, I think I'm ditching this. Yeah, I'm ditching it. Okay.
Oh, when the cups.
Which side is the heavy center down?
But like, it don't matter. They can get it.
Huh?
Alright, I need.
No, we're just on it.
There's another one in there you can see. Okay.
So that was way too much black, so I'm probably going to
Here?
wash it off as much as possible and then go in again with another color.
Wait, no, it's the
Darn it. It happens. All right, so I got too much black.
Oh.
Get the smallest brush that came in your kit. I think that's the safest. And then we're gonna outline.
Get these boots on.
Give her an outline that you love. Make everything sharper, cleaner. Less water on this part so you can have those really, really definitive lines.
Please help, please help.
Alrighty.
Oh, where are you? You're so bad.
Are you guys feeling comfortable with the lines?
Not really.
No?
I'm going over it with a marker so it'll look better.
You could always do that too. You could get like a black Sharpie.
We could have found a Sharpie, so I did this.